In this video, we're going to take a look at writing the equation of a line in slope-intercept form, also known as y equals mx plus b form. So the slope-intercept form of the equation of a line is given as y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. And if you'll recall, the y-intercept has an x-coordinate of 0 and a y coordinate of wherever it hits the y-axis. So it's just a special case of the point-slope form, which means you could, when asked to find the equation of a line in slope-intercept form, you could find it in point-slope form and then convert it to slope-intercept form. And in the last example, we selected one of the 2 points to use for point-slope form, and it turns out if you use the other point, you get a different looking equation, but it's the exact same line. And if you convert the other point from point slope form to slope intercept form, you should see the same answer that we're going to get for the one that we selected. So here we have our answer from the last example, y minus 3 equals negative 2/3 times the expression x plus 1. We're going to convert that to slope intercept form. It's really just 2 steps, so it's pretty quick. First thing is we're going to distribute this slope, this negative 2/3, to the terms in parentheses. So multiply the negative 2/3 by x, multiply the negative 2/3 by 1, and we'll get y minus 3 equals negative 2/3 x minus 2/3. And then we want to get y by itself, so if we add 3 to both sides, we can combine the negative 2/3 with a 3, and we get negative 2/3 x plus 7/3. And it turns out if we would have selected the other point to use in the last example, when we write that equation in slope-intercept form, it's going to be this exact same expression, y equals negative 2/3 x plus 7/3. So for point-slope form, it really won't matter which one of those 2 points you pick, because if you convert both of them to slope-intercept form, they're both going to be the same equation. So that about does it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.